I've wrote a test G-code file to give my system a quick check. I've basically just set the feed rate at 500. I don't know what that's going to handle like. I don't know if it's too fast or too slow. If anybody understands G-code, you'll understand this, but I'll quickly go through it. And basically say move the Z-axis up 8mm. At the same time go across to its starting point at 5mm at X, and then go down to Z4 just to prepare it, and then go down to Z3 at the start of the wood and across to 10. So I want it to start cutting into the wood or going across the wood. I don't just want to drop it the right bit straight in basically. So over 5mm I'm getting it to sort of curve like that and dip into the top of the wood. So I believe my test wood's just over 3mm. And then I go across the Z-axis for 140mm, so I'll go to a total of 150, and then and then back. So it's dropped in, yeah, I can remember now, sorry. So it comes in, gently drops it in as it goes across, comes back, and then comes right back to the starting point to finish that last dropping curve. It's just that I don't want to drop it straight in at 90 degrees. And then it comes back up to its 4, drops it back down, does the same again but basically at 2.5mm. Same again at 2mm, so it's constantly going up, curve down, across, back, up, and getting lower. Let's see how we get on with that. It's all set up to, I haven't got any white bolts on, so I've just programmed it to go across the X. And I've set that to near enough there, and just see what happens. I wish me luck. Just the wire up, clamped it down. Yeah, I should have set this in a little better place. New bushes. I did notice when I stripped this down that one of the bushes connecting to the motor was fucked. The language snapped, so that's probably why the router keeps bobbing down. I need to get a new bushing for it, or just get a new router. Last pass. The router's not kicking, bushing's full, bushes. Get a good tap, love tap. No, but it's working. This is just my router, ain't. Give it a tap. No, I think I need a new router. Stage it testing and my router fucks up, that's typical, isn't it?